Diesel fuel to be used. Diesel fuel in inventory at 1 November 20X5 was $3,125, and there were invoices awaited for $425. During the year to 31 October 20X6, diesel fuel bills of $21,350 were paid, and a delivery worth $325 had yet to be invoiced. At 31 October 20X6, the inventory of diesel fuel was valued at $2,450. What is the value of diesel fuel to be charged to the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year to 31 October 20X6? Answer: diesel fuel purchased. Balance C over FWD equals balance B over FWB plus purchase minus payments. Balance B over FWD minus $425. Payments $21,350. Balance C over FWD $325. Purchases $21,250. Opening inventory $3,125. Purchases $21,250. Closing inventory minus $2,450. Transfer to SPL $21,925.